Understanding overtrading is crucial as it's a hidden pitfall in the world of crypto. Overtrading means trading too often, usually in short periods. Chasing quick profits is tempting, but risky. One major risk is higher fees. Every trade costs money, and these fees add up quickly. They can eat away at your profits. Overtrading also brings emotional stress. Constant market watching is tiring and can lead to anxiety. Making decisions under stress is unwise. Fear and greed can take control, harming your trading health. Overtrading erodes your capital. Emotional decisions lead to more losses. Protecting your funds is paramount. Smart trading avoids these pitfalls. Spotting the warning signs that you might be trading too frequently is important. One clear sign is constant activity without clear reasons. Trading out of boredom or to chase losses is a red flag. Obsessive market watching is another sign. Checking prices every few minutes is unhealthy. It consumes mental energy and leads to reactive trades. Emotional trading is a major indicator. Fear of missing out drives you to buy high and sell during dips. Decisions become reactive, not planned. Ignoring long-term goals is key. Overtraders focus on tiny, quick gains, forgetting larger financial aims. A solid strategy looks further ahead. Reflect on your trading habits. Self-awareness is crucial. Crafting your shield with a solid trading plan is essential. A trading plan acts as a roadmap for decisions. Without a plan, you navigate blindly. Define your entry and exit points. Know when to buy and sell. Set clear goals and limits on trade numbers. Decide how many trades per day or how much capital to risk. Focus on quality trades, not quantity. Seek trades with strong potential through careful analysis. Resist the urge for constant action. One good trade is better than 10 bad ones. Stick to your plan. The market will test your resolve. Review and adjust your plan periodically. Discipline is the key to success. Section 4. Taming the Beast Within. Emotional control in volatile markets. Emotions are a powerful force in trading. Fear and greed can lead to irrational decisions. Understanding your emotions is key. Recognize what triggers your stress or overconfidence. This self-awareness helps manage reactions. When emotions run high, step back. Avoid trading when stressed or anxious. Never trade when feeling desperate. These states impair your judgment. Take a break from the charts. Go for a walk or clear your head. Return when you feel calm and focused. Your mental state impacts your trades. Trading psychology is crucial. Some say it's 80% of success. Technical skills alone are not enough. You must master your inner game. This involves discipline and patience. It means controlling impulsive behavior. Developing this mindset takes time. Practice ways to keep emotions steady. Mindfulness can help you stay present. A calm mind makes better decisions. Section 5. Smart Defenses, Practical Risk Management Techniques for Traders. Stop-loss orders are essential tools. They help protect your trading capital. A stop-loss automatically sells an asset if the price drops to a set level. You decide this level beforehand. This limits your potential losses. It prevents emotions from causing big damage. Take profit orders work similarly. They help you secure your gains. You set a target price for selling. If the asset reaches this price, it sells. This locks in your profits. It prevents greed from taking over. Disciplined profit-taking is smart. Position sizing is another key technique. Never risk too much on one trade. A common rule is 1 to 2% of capital. This means if a trade loses, it's small. Your overall capital is protected. This allows you to survive losing streaks. Consistent small risks are manageable. Consider scaling into your positions. Start with a smaller amount and add more if the trade moves in your favor. This method reduces your initial risk. These tactics build a strong defense. Section 6. Playing the long game. Adopting a sustainable crypto investment strategy. Shift your focus to a wider view. Don't get lost in minute-by-minute charts. These are often just market noise. Look at daily or weekly charts. Binance founder CZ advises annual charts. These show long-term trends better. They help in making strategic decisions. A broader perspective reduces panic. Define your personal investment horizon. Are you a short-term day trader or a long-term investor? Many successful traders mix approaches. They hold some assets for years and trade a smaller portion actively. Your horizon shapes your strategy. Understand the fundamentals of your assets. Don't just trade based on hype. Learn about the technology behind coins. Consider their long-term potential. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is useful. Invest a fixed sum regularly. This averages your purchase price. Finally, diversify your investments wisely. Smart, patient trading leads to better outcomes.